Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm just here today to share with you a little Queen & Company kit that I ordered over Black Friday, and I finally got the chance to use them. They're this suitcase shaker cards, and all the items pretty much you see except the shaker bits came in the kit. They have the foam, the acetate. There's a die that cuts those pieces out, as well as the frame for the suitcase. And then it comes on a card, white cardstock backing that you're able to use as a card. That's the die that comes with the kit. It does, like I said, cut out the suitcase, the handle, and then the four corners that are supposed to represent like the patent leather suitcases. So I'm just taking this sticky stuff off. I'm gonna adhere this foam to that yellow cardstock I cut out to use as a base. You could just adhere it directly to the white card base that comes with the kit, but I like the color background. I think the shaker bits show up, and it's prettier. I'm just trimming off some of the edge of the cardstock. And so now I'm going to fill it with some shaker bits that I've gotten from Queen & Company, as well as other places. These pearls that I'm, flatback pearls that I'm putting in right now are ones from Michael's. They came in a big amount, and I'm just picking out the ones that the greenish blue ones and the white ones to use. And here are some shaker bits that I purchased from Queen & Company outside of the kit. And I'm just adding them there. I love how easy these were to put together and how they turned out. There's also a stamped sentiment that comes in this kit, which I believe I show you a little later. And I'm just picking the shaker bits I want to put in. I like, the more the merrier, but I like different shapes and colors, textures. I love the sound the shakers make, so I tried to use some seed beads because I think those make the shakers louder. And I love the shaking effect that happens as well. So now I'm peeling off the other side of that foam. So it's, adhesive on both sides. So I'm peeling that off to adhere the acetate that comes with the kit. Just lay it down gently. Hopefully it lines up. If it doesn't, it is easy to peel up, but it's hard because the shakers start sticking to the acetate when you peel it up because of static electricity or whatever. And here I am just adding some adhesive to the back, and I will adhere it to the white base card that came in the kit. And it's pretty much done. Oh no, it's not. I need to add the die cut pieces as well. The suitcase frame and the handle, as well as the corners. I'm just having fun shaking away. So just add adhesive to these pieces. I mean, it's super easy. These kits, they come with pretty much everything you need. It's just a matter of slapping them together. Not slapping them, but the effect is much more than the effort. There I'm adding the corners on for the suitcase. Oh, not the corners. That was the handle. But next I am adding the corners. So have you guys ever worked with Queen and Company kits before? Do you guys like shakers? Leave me a comment below. Have you guys heard about my pocket letter challenge I am having right now? You have time. It doesn't end until February 10th. And you can find that giveaway challenge video here on my channel. But that's the suitcase. That's one of them anyway that came out. Like I said, there's 6 to the kit, so I do all 6. Here's the next one. But back to my pocket letter challenge. I would love if you have the time to enter. I am giving away $48 in gift card, or if you want it in your PayPal account. And you can choose the gift cards. They're from either Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Tuesday Mornings, or I'll put it in your PayPal account. It's up to you. And also, I'm giving away stuff for people who, like the first one I received, I'm giving away a pack of 5 homemade cards, and who knows, one of these suitcases might be included in that 5 pack. But every 5th entry I receive, I'm sending out a pack to you. And yeah, so I will leave the link to the giveaway challenge below, and that way you can go find the information there. And if you have time and you would like to, I would love to receive a pocket letter from you. So as you can see, back to the video, I'm adding some more shaker bits. I've heard them referred as shaker bits, toppings. Is there anything else? I don't know, but I like the way these colors came out. This is more of a Valentine's, color combination with the pinks, reds, white. Yeah, that one shakes a lot, or not a lot, but really good too, because of the pearl beads, I think they're called, from Queen and Company. That's what the pink and red round ball looking ones are. Anyway, I don't do too many of these videos that I usually show the end product. I don't usually show the process because it's long, it takes long, and not sure what to talk about. But it looks like I'm almost done with that one. Now I'm just gonna peel off the tape from the foam so I can add the acetate on for the shaker window. See how all of the static and the beads just pick right up. So you kind of got to get it down the first time correctly. Shaky, 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 shaky. Love it. Look at all those bits shake around. And I'm just going to add the suitcase frame, add some adhesive to adhere it down to the acetate. I like this color combination with this, like, I don't think it's turquoise, because to me turquoise has a little more blue. It's more like sea greenish. I don't know. But anyway, this color combo is beautiful. The pink and this green or blue, whatever color it's called. So cute. And you know, you are able to just, without making a shaker, you know, use the die too. So after you use up all the stuff from the kit, you can still use the die to make suitcases. You know, they don't have to be shaker suitcases. And you can add them to projects. They don't have to be cards. Scrapbook. Luggage tag. You know, a present tag. Something like that. But I'm just finishing this one up. I hope you guys like my little share here. I think these shakers came out so adorable. I love all of them. Can't wait to make more. Hope you guys are having a great day, and shakas. To the next video.